There is a plan that the quarantine center that was supposed to be constructed in Nyahururu right now is suggested to be moved to Kakamega. But now the problem with Kakamega County is tuko na shida ya CT scan machines, tuko na shida ya MRI machines. How are we going to manage this condition called Ebola? And by the way, do you know guys that counties kama Vihiga, Busia na hiyo Kakamega yenye wana suggest, they refer their patients to Kisumu for further treatment and some lab tests. Apart from that, county kama Bungoma na Trans Nzoia, they refer their patients to Moi Referral and Teaching Hospital in Eldoret. So guys, don't you see that we are exposing our people to the risks of Ebola? Because tunataka our patients kutoka DRC Congo, they land straight to Kakamega. But now the facility that we have is not equipped. Anyway, we just think about that. I'm Wafula Richard. Thank you.